Good morning guys, this is Plant Orchids. Tag-ulan na. So ito, silipin natin ang plant track na to guys. Unang plant track. Ayan siya guys. Voice over muna tayo ngayon ha. Padala lang to ng husband ko na video. So ito, ang plant track ko ngayong tag-ulan. Ang unang plant track natin guys. As you can see, okay naman po sila. May mga orchids tayong in bloom. Yan. Yan. Okay naman sila guys. Sa plant track na to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. Bye guys.